Guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Office error code 3004529 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, Excel error, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is open control panel in your system. Repair your Microsoft Office app. Here in control panel, look for the option program and features. Open it. Here, scroll down and find out Microsoft Office app. Select it, Microsoft Office, select it and click on change. A new pop-up window will appear. How would you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office programs? Choose quick repair and click on repair. After that, follow on screen instruction to complete the process. And the next workaround is right click on a start button and choose run. And here type msconfig, msconfig, clean boot your system. This command will open system configuration windows in your system. Here go to boot option and click on save boot, and thereafter go to services tab from the top menu bar and click on hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Click on it. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and click on open task manager link. Task manager startup apps will open. Here go to one by one startup apps enabled in your system, find out, and if you found any startup apps enabled in your system, simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this method to all your startup apps enabled in your system, and after that close the task manager windows and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes in system configuration windows. You may need to restart your computer to apply these changes. Choose restart. You must restart your system. After that, check whether your Microsoft Office error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open File Explorer in your system. In File Explorer, go to C drive and here go to users. Open it and here go to your username. Open it. Here open app data. If you don't find app data, then go to your view tab and choose hidden device, hidden feature also. Open local. Here scroll down and open Microsoft. Open it. Thereafter scroll down and you will find Office. Open it. Open it. Here you will find 16.0 folder. Again open it, apply a double click on it to open, and here in this folder you will find Office file caches. Open it and here select it and delete all your Microsoft as caches folder. Clear Microsoft Office caches folder. Simply select it and choose delete. After that, restart your system and check whether your Microsoft Office error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Uninstall Microsoft Office and reinstall a fresh version of your Microsoft Office. Right click on start button, choose settings. Here from the left side, go to apps. Here click on installed apps. And here look for Office, type Office in search field. Click on 3 horizontal dot against Microsoft Office and here choose uninstall. First you can also choose modify and it will again open your repair Office. Choose quick repair and repair, otherwise uninstall it and reinstall a fresh version of Microsoft Office in your system through Microsoft Store. Go to Windows Store and install Microsoft Office. That's all.